Grayscale launched the Grayscale Avalanche Trust, offering accredited investors exposure to Avalanche's AVAX token. Franklin Templeton expanded its tokenized money market fund to Avalanche, with Benji tokens now tradable on 4 networks. Hong Kong's SFC found some deemed to be licensed crypto exchanges failing compliance standards, risking their licenses. WazirX canceled open orders and returned assets to users after a cyber attack caused issues with account balances. Near Protocol's Nightshade 2.0 upgrade introduces stateless validation, enhancing scalability and lowering validator costs. See you tomorrow, fam.